Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Now, I sent today one video that is receipt and bill because already you studied in fourth standard how to make a bill and receipt. Okay, you have to just watch it because that is fourth standard video what I sent because of in fifth standard also same topic is there. Now today you have to watch that video. Afterwards, video day 16. Today we are going to discuss, and tomorrow I will explain again how to make a receipt and bill. What is bill and what is receipt? I will explain. But before that, you have to watch that video. Okay. Then chapter 5 money day 17, but already we discussed it in this lesson addition of money, subtraction of money, and word problems also we discussed. Now today we are going to discuss about multiplication and division. Multiplication and division of money. Only today we are going to discuss. And tomorrow we are discussing about again receipt and bill. It is very important to your daily life because all of you going to some shops, cloth shop, kirana store, and sandal shop, shoe shop. There going means how it is useful the receipt and bill. We are discussing tomorrow class. Only today we are going to discuss multiplication, division of money problems. Yes or no? Directly we are going to discuss about in your exercise. So many problems are there. In your exercise, so many problems are there. Now first one problem. Already these type problems discussed in fourth standard also. Just to recall, ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ ಏನೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 6 books? 6 books. If the cost of one book is rupees 24.25. This is the question. It is a question is very easy, but question is given twist. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿರುವು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ first they are given one book cost is 24.25 rupees. Then what is the cost of 6 books ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. But they are given in twist. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. Okay, what is given? What is the cost of 6 books? First they are given what is the cost of 6 books. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 6 books the cost ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವು 6 book cost ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, 1 book cost ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Then given if the cost of one book is rupees 24.25. 24 it is rupees and again 25 is there after the point, that is we should call paise. Yes or no? But already you know that 1 rupee have how many paise? Who is telling? 1 rupee have how many paise? Yes, it is 100 paise. 1 rupees have 100 paise. Okay. But they are given 1 book cost, but they find 6 book cost. ನಮಗೆ 1 book cost ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to find 6 book cost. It is very easy. 1 book cost you should write first. Answer 45. Is right. Then total number of books are multiplication 6. Yes or no? Total number of books how many? 6 books. One book cost is given. Then what is the 6 book cost? You have to do their multiplication. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. These three words are coming there. You have to do subtraction. Then one book cost is given. Find the so many books cost is given there. It's multiplication. Where they are given so many books cost, then we find the one book cost means then you have to do divide. Remember in your mind. Don't confuse it. Okay. Then 6 book cost, one book cost is given. Then 6 you have to do multiplication. I told every time you have to by heart the table. And homework also daily I given one time tables. It should be compulsory. Tables ಏನಿದೆ that should be compulsory per day one time. Yes or no? Then you have to do multiplication means you have to count the tables 6 ja. Then 6 5 ja how much? 6 5 ja 30. You have to do directly every time 6 1 the 6 6 2 the 12 6 3 the 18 6 4 the 24. Don't do this time. Mind. You have to use your mind and you have to do directly mentally. 6 5 ja 30. 3 carry and 0. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 15. 1 carry and 5. 3 4 ja 12. 3 6 4 ja 24. 24 plus 1 25. Then 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14. What is the answer? First of all you should remember in your mind. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ two numbers one point is there. Is it right? Before two numbers one point is there. Then below side point is there or not? Not point is there. Okay, only upside is there. Then you have to do one thing. Count the numbers 1 and 2. After 2 points, 1 point is there. Then in ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರ್ ಸೇಮ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Then our answer is total cost of 6 books rupees 145.50. 145.50 rupees. Okay, all of you write down this question in red pen and answer should be blue pen. Okay, write fast. Okay, next question. Page number 56. Page number 56. Problems involving multiplication in money system. Okay. Fifth one, Roman number 5th. Second one, I am going to solve the problems. Swati buys 8 meters of cloth at rupees 75 per meter. What is the amount to be paid to the ಅರವಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ. Yes, cloth shop, she went cloth shop and she buys. Buys means purchased. She purchased 8 meters of cloth. Purchased 8 meters of cloth. Then at rupees 75 per meter. Per meter cost is 75 rupees. Then she buys 8 meters of cloth and 1 meter cost is 75 rupees. Then what is the amount to be paid to the shopkeeper? Then how much amount, total amount, how much is paid to the shopkeeper? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. They are given each and everything, only have to solve and write the answer. Okay, first of all, what is given there? We should write statement. Okay, 1 meter cloth cost is 75. Yes or no? 1 meter cloth cost is 75 rupees. Then the total quantity of cloth, total quantity of cloth is 6. No. How much? 8 meter. Yes or no? 8 meter ಇದೆ. 1 meter ಗೆ 75 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But then what is the total cost of 8 meter? Then you have to do multiplication. Then you have to count the 8s are table. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry and 0. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 60. Then the total cost of 8 meter cloth is rupees 600. How much? 600. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ, 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 75 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ರೇಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ 75 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 75 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೆನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Dear students, here so many problems are there. Now I solved this second one problem. First one is, what is the given there? The cost of an egg is rupees 4. What is the cost of a dozen eggs? Egg means 30. The cost of one egg is 4 rupees. Then what is the cost of dozen? One dozen have how many eggs? You know that 1 dozen means 12 eggs. Okay, write that same. Then next one, third one, the cost of an umbrella is rupees 225. What is the cost of 15 umbrellas? One umbrella cost is 225 rupees. Then what is the cost of 15 umbrella? You have to do multiplication there only. Then next one is, a laborer earns rupees 525 a day. How much will he earns in a week? What is the given there? 1 day income of the laborer is 525. Then how much will he earn in a week? Then 1 week have how many days? 7 days. Yes. Then 525 multiplication 7 you have to do. Your answer should be there. Next one, fifth one, the cost of a table is rupees 4320. What is the cost of 16 tables? One table cost is 4320. Then what is the cost of 16 tables? It is very easy question. Okay, now we are going to discuss about in a division. 57 Roman number for you it is 6. They given wrong, then 6. And I am going to solve second one. Mohan paid rupees 1422 for 9 shirts. 9 shirts. What is the cost of each shirt? This is the given question. What is given there? Mohan going to one cloth shop. He purchased total 9 shirts. Total how many shirts he purchased? 9 shirts. Then the given total 9 shirt amount he given 1422 rupees. He given to that shopkeeper. Then we confused what is the one shirt cost? ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವ, ಒಂದು 10 ಬನಾನಾ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬನಾನಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ 40 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡಂತಾನ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 10 ಬನಾನಾಗ 40 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 1 ಬನಾನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ? ದೆನ್ ಮೋಹನ್ paid in shopkeeper 1422 rupees for 9 shirts. 9 ಶರ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ 1422 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಶರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ the 9 shirt total cost is rupees 1422. Total number of shirts 9. One shirt cost question mark 5. We don't know the answer means that is question mark. Okay. Then 1422 rupees total cost. Number of shirt is 9. Then one shirt cost you have to divide here. 1422 divided by 9. 9s are table of 14 or not? So 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18 is there, not 14. That's why you take a smaller number. 9 1s are 9. Then 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, 5, 0. Then you take a 2. 9s are table have 52 or not? 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45 is there. 9 5s are 45. Then 12 minus 5 it is 7, 0. Then you take a 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72, 0, 0. Then each shirt cost is, therefore each shirt cost is rupees 152. This much only. Okay. Write down this question. Answer. You should question write red pen. Answer write blue pen. Write down fast. Yes, dear students, in your exercise, problems involving division in money system. Okay. First one is, second one I already solved. First one, the government higher primary school sanctioned a scholarship amount of rupees 4,000 for 10 students. How much amount did each one get? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದವ್ರ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4,000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು 10 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4,000 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ rupees 4,425 among Amar, Akbar and Anthony equally. What is the total of share that each one gets? Fourth one, if the cost of a dozen apples is rupees 96, what is the cost of one apple? What is the cost of one apple? Remember the question, you have to read. If the cost of a dozen apples, you know the apple, they are given in kg, not given a dozen. Okay, the dozen apples is rupees 96 rupees. Then what is the cost of one apple? Okay, ಒಂದು ಡಜನ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಗೆ 96 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One dozen means how many apples are coming there? 12 apples. One dozen means always 12 only. It cannot be changed that quantity. Okay, remember that. First of all, you should write statement what is given there. One dozen apple cost is rupees 96. One dozen equal to 12 apples. One apple cost is question mark. We don't know the answer, that's why there is question mark. Then 96 divided by 12, because they are given in total amount. 12 apples, total amount is 96. Then what is the one apple cost? Then 12 the table have 96 or not. 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96 0 0. Then one apple cost is 8 rupees. Rupees 8. Understood? Okay, this one write in red pen and this one write in blue pen. Now there remaining last one problem is there. Vinod, a carpenter, earns 9,666 in 6 days. 6 days total income is 9,666 rupees. Then what is the amount that he earns in a day? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 9,666 ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then your answer should be there. Okay, then remaining problems we are discussion in tomorrow class. Then you have to solve that given problems and send to WhatsApp through. Okay, thank you.